Hi friends, today we will show you the unboxing of Philips mixer grinder. This is a 500 watt mixer grinder and we will show you the unboxing and how to use this. Let's open this box. Let's open this. So this is the manual which shows how to use this mixer grinder. These are the jars. Let's take them out one by one. Okay. The second jar. This is the third jar. And this is the base of the mixer. So friends, this is the base unit. Let's take it out. This is the Philips base unit. This is the plug. And this is the base unit. And to operate this is the dial to adjust the speed. So 0 is when it's in off position. To adjust the speed, there is a 3 speed indicators, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the highest speed. So depending on what you are trying to mix, you can select the grinder option. These are the 4 blades where you will put the relevant jar, and this is the lock wherein you will secure the jar. Let's see how to secure the jar and which are the 3 type of jars which are available in this mixer grinder box. So friends, this is the biggest of the 3 jars. This is the wet mixer jar in which you can make milkshakes, purees, and any wet ingredients can be mixed and grinded in this jar. Then the second jar is the dry grinder for any spices or dry mixing grinding purposes. You can use this. And this is the chutney grinder. If you want to make different types of chutneys, pastes, you can use this jar. So these are the respective lids of each of these jars. And if you are trying to make like a puree or a milkshake, you put the contents in this jar and you have to seal it, properly seal it so there is no spillage like this. And then these are the lock points which you have to fit in here. So just be careful when you do this because you don't want the blade to break. So it has to go in, these points will go in the lock points on the base like this, and then you have to twist them. So the way you will lock it in is you place it in like this, and then as you can see, this is the point which means this is locked. As you see, if I try to move this now, I can't take it out. This is a 500 watt machine and it has a 2-year warranty with the product. And let's just show you, let's just make like chutney in this jar and show you how to use this. So we have now prepped the chutney stuff and we'll put it in the chutney jar and see how it works. Okay, now we will prepare chutney in the jar. We have now sealed the lid. Let's turn the power on, and this we will put at number 1. Wow. So this is how it looks after the initial grind. So there's still some pieces left, so I'll just grind it a little more. I think this is now ready. Okay, this lid is really tight. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Like a smooth, even paste. Yep, perfect to go with any curries or breads. This looks good. So friends, this was the unboxing of the Philips mixer grinder. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.